for 1 second so that
Okay.
I got it.
Sure.
Okay. Yeah, go ahead.
So they were all adjourned because I think almost all of these residents were working with Wayne Metro.
I agree. That's my memory too.
And I don't think, frankly, that Wayne Metro has necessarily totally completed what they need to complete for us.
Well, do you want to pick another date a week or two out? Is that?
I think that probably makes sense in the hopes that we'll get the worksheets and then be able to get the conditional dismissals at least generated so that we can put them on the record. Because at this point, I don't have worksheets on any of these cases.
Okay.
I know that the managers have been trying to submit landlord applications to keep the process moving. I mean, the reality is this is only the second business day due to the holiday.
I know. I wondered when we adjourned them from last Wednesday if I was messing you guys up with not giving you enough time.
Yeah. Well, I know they're buried over there and they're doing the best they can to get through everything. So
can we push it out to, I know I have a civil docket on the 15th of December. And I can't, I've got a conflict at 1 o'clock, so I can't push it out too far. Can I set them at 11:30 on December 15th?
Renee, does that work for you? You can just nod or yeah.
She spoke to me. That would be, I have Selena Brown on. So that would be Metro Commons versus Selena Brown, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand, Miss Brown? You got to unmute yourself. Yeah. And there you go. And you righted yours. Unmute, bottom left. There you go.
Okay.
And you're not sideways now. So do you understand? You're working with, do you understand, were you listening to what we were talking about?
Yes, you're going to extend it out, another Zoom call?
Right, so that they can get your paperwork and figure out the funding. So we'll adjourn that. Paige, you paying attention?
Yes.
Yep, I'm listening, Judge.
Okay, December the 15th at 11:30. And that would be, okay, so Miss Brown, you're all set then, okay?
So same number to Zoom in, same number and 11:30, but 11:15 to be there.
Yeah, what did I say? Did I say 11:15 or 11:30?
You said 11:30.
Perfect. 11:30. Yep, and you can come at 11:15. That's fine. And then and unless they resolve it before, then he'll just send over a dismissal, and they'll let you know. They'll let you know.
Okay. So as of right now, December 15th.
Correct.
Okay.
And then Shamika, Metro Commons versus Shamika Petrie. Same thing for Ms. Petrie.
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand, Ms. Petrie?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. So hopefully the paperwork will be done, and hopefully
because just to add, I did receive an approval letter from that Wayne Metro, so I'm sure we'll go over that on the 15th.
Yeah, I'm sure that'll be true. Okay, or it'll be dismissed ahead of time.
Okay.
Okay, you're all set. Hopefully I don't see you in 2 weeks.
Okay.
All right. Okay. And then West Village Estates versus Cynthia Howard. Miss Howard, same situation. Are you good?
So we're done.
We're done. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
And then Miss Howard, can you hear me?
Yes, mine. They approved it, and the corporate office signed off on it, and I'm due to start making payments towards mine this week.
Okay, well then the paperwork's just got to catch up to the attorney then. Are you familiar with that, Miss Renee Samples? You're muted. Can you unmute yourself?
We are just waiting for the check in the mail for her.
Okay, so that'll end up being a dismissal. I'm giving you a 2-week, Miss Howard, but I won't see you in 2 weeks. Okay. Okay, Miss Howard, you got to unmute yourself.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. Have a
You're
good day.
welcome. You're welcome. It should be taken care of before then. Sandria Bryant, same thing. Miss Samples, do you have anything on Miss Bryant?
She sent paperwork over that she's been trying to get a hold of Wayne Metro. They're supposed to get in touch with me so I can send them all the information they need.
Perfect. All right. Well, then I'll do the 2 weeks. Do you understand, Miss Bryant?
Yes, I do.
Perfect. All right. Thank you very much, and have a great day. And then
Okay,
I think
you too.
we just were joined by Michelle Jones. Is that you, Miss Jones, on the iPhone?
Yes, ma'am.
And you're late to the party, but my understanding is that Wayne Metro, the payment, the process is still moving through. Is that correct?
Yes, Cassandra is helping me, but she hasn't given me a date when they'll be able to send the payment.
Okay. All right. Well, then I'm going to do the same thing to the December 15th date at 11:30. Hopefully it'll be resolved before then and I won't see you. Okay.
I would just ask, Your Honor, that if Wayne Metro is giving any of the residents anything in the form of a worksheet that states how much is going to be
for them
paid,
to send it over to
please get it to Renee so that she can get it to me so that we can get the order done.
Yep.
And
Did you hear that, Miss Bryant? Miss Bryant, are you all set then? Do we lose her? Then my only other question, Mr. Visconti, is I have West Village versus Lachey Bradford and Ronaldo Wiley, and they were here last week. Do you know anything about that case, Renee? You're not, you know what? Some way we can't hear you. I don't know what there you
They've
go.
submitted their Wayne Metro paperwork, and I sent everything back to the lady. We're just waiting on the contract.
I'm not going to default him, Mr. Visconti.
No, I agree with
I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to adjourn that 2 weeks also.
I agree with that, Your Honor.
Perfect. If they show up, I have a feeling they may jump on within the next half hour.
Sure, Your Honor.
Just so that I don't keep you anytime.
No,
right.
I appreciate it, and my hope really is that we get those contracts or the worksheets back from Wayne Metro, and we can start getting the orders entered.
Absolutely.
And cases off your docket for you.
Perfect.
All right.
All right. Well, then I will adjourn all these cases. 2 weeks. You're all set.
Thanks.
It's December 15th at what time?
At 11:30.
11:30. Okay, thank
Perfect.
you.
All right. Thank you. See you then.
All right,
or
bye.
don't see you then. Hope I don't see you then.
Okay, me too.
Yeah, have a good day.
You too.
On Barrington, Mr. Katz, we have Miss Cherry. What's the status of, you're working with Wayne Metro, right, Mr. Cherry?
Yeah, yep. He's on mute. But yeah, Your Honor, I believe what we're going to do on this one, it seems that the EDP funds are going to pay off his judgment.
Okay.
There's a writ. We'll keep it till the 31st. I'll send it, I'm assuming that it's going to go nowhere. But just in case things fall through the cracks come the 31st, then my client has that right. Does that make sense?
Do you understand, Mr. Cherry? Yeah, they should pay off before that. It shouldn't be a problem.
Wait, what did he say?
The Wayne Metro, they're supposed to pay your funds. They're supposed to pay the judgment, so you should be fine. But make sure you follow through with them, okay?
Okay.
And then you're all set.
Okay, thank you.
But check in with the office and make sure they pay it before the 31st of the month, because that's when the writ would issue, okay?
All right, no problem.
Okay, you're all set. And then Mr. Katz on Jessica Glenn.
So, Your Honor, this is another CDC case. I don't think we ever took a judgment on this case.
You didn't.
So there's currently a balance of $2,329. I'd like to take a judgment with a December 31st writ date. And at that point...
And then it should work the same thing with Wayne Metro.
Well, she's already gotten the Wayne Metro. This is after she gotten all of her help.
Okay.
So yeah, so if I could
I'll do that. Paige, did you get that? December 31st, judgment with December 31st writ to issue. And if she jumps on, that's on Jessica Glenn.
Was it 2329?
Yeah, and I'm going to submit a default judgment on that one.
Okay, and then I missed it for Artesian Cherry.
Yeah.
Is that just a writ to issue date of December 31st?
Correct.
Okay.
Well, we already have a writ that was
I
filed.
have the writ in the file. I didn't sign it.
Yeah, just make a note that we won't issue it until December 31st.
Yeah, and check with them to make sure, because I think it'll be paid off. The judgment should be paid off before that.
Okay, I'll make a note in the ROA.
All right, perfect. All right, Mr. Katz, you're all set. Thank you very much. Have a great day.
You too. Bye-bye.
And Paige, we don't have anything else now until